Hi guys, in front of me is Redmi 13 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So at first open the settings, then select About Phone, scroll down and mark Backup and Restore. Here you've got Backup, so mark to open and just select those details that you want to backup. In my case it's everything, so photos and videos, along with other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, apps and app data and messages. Then mark confirm, and basically that's it. Your backup is active. If you want to manage your backup, click on Manage Backup, and here you can backup it right now if you want to, but like in a normal way, it will be done automatically over Wi-Fi after your device have been idle and charging for 2 hours. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.